Hello everyone and welcome again our new video. In today's video we'll learn how to make these easy drawings and tutorials on how to make these drawings step by step. Starting off with the first one, we'll learn how to make this frog. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this beautiful umbrella who has a cat face on it. Moving forward to the next one, we'll start by making this beautiful mushroom which will be turned into a beautiful house, some beautiful windows and doors. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making the face of this beautiful girl which you are learning to make. We'll make this face and hairs of this beautiful baby girl, and then we'll make her body, her legs and her beautiful dress which she is wearing, and big shiny eyes on her face which looks really beautiful. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this easy rabbit who is holding a big carrot on his hand and is sitting down. We'll first make the rabbit and then the carrot by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this beautiful face of this awesome teddy bear which looks really awesome, has big legs and hands, and complete it as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will use a highlighter, or you can use a marker or a sketch pen too. We will create a hat and then we will create a triangular shape from the highlighter, and then we'll create it into a beautiful girl with beautiful hairs and legs who is wearing some boots, and convert it and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will create this beautiful panda who is laying on a bigger panda as shown. The upper one is the baby panda and complete it as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making some hearts as shown, and then we'll create it into a pig with hearts placed on his head, and is also holding a heart in his hand. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making the eyes of this beautiful girl who is wearing a beautiful dress as shown. We will make the face and her beautiful hairs, and then we will make her beautiful dress which is of a mermaid and is a really easy one to make. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will create this beautiful deer which is a really easy one to make. We will create this deer as shown by following the steps, by first making the face and then the body of this beautiful deer, and complete it by making some textures on his body. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this beautiful body of this awesome animal which looks really awesome already. We will create this into a beautiful one by following the steps as shown, and create his big shiny eyes and big tail. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this drawing of this beautiful dog who has a really cute body. Thank you for watching the video.